Do you like treasure hunts? Discover Terra Aventura. Just grab a GPS and head off to discover 30 unusual places in Limousin, a genuine treasure hunt based on geocaching for participants of all ages. Follow on the footsteps of the Poes. To find their caches, you will have to solve a series of riddles by collecting clues on your way. Are you ready to begin the quest? To get started, just log in to terra-aventura.fr. Then choose a quest by picking one of the various themes. Next, type your departure spot coordinated into your GPS and let it guide you. Several riddles await you. Solve them to find the cache's GPS coordinates. Once you have found the cache, write your experience down in the container's logbook. Take a Poes and put the logbook and container back where you found them. Log in to terra-aventura.fr and share your experience. Then start all over again with a new quest.